Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today we are going to do chipotle salmon power bowls. I am going to make one for myself for a lunch today, and these are so good. We're actually going to have these for dinner tonight. So I'm going to make the sauce, the chipotle sauce for the salmon. I'm going to put all of the ingredients and directions in the description below, and I'm going to make the full batch size of sauce for our 5 salmon fillets for dinner tonight. So it's gonna look like a lot for my one little salmon right now. And we're actually gonna make these in the air fryer. I have done salmon before in the air fryer and it is so good. I've got a honey garlic salmon recipe that I will link to and share with you guys. Also delicious. That's a bit of a sweeter one today. Ours is gonna have a little bit of heat to it. I am going to start by putting in about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and we are going to do about a tablespoon of adobe sauce, depending on how much heat your family likes. You could add a little less, a little bit more. I'm going to grab some honey, and we're going to do about a tablespoon of honey as well. I'm going to add in a dash of cumin here. Really about a half a teaspoon or so. Just gonna kind of sprinkle that in. All right. And we're gonna add a little pepper. A little salt. I'm gonna grab some olive oil and do about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm just eyeballing it here, guys. It really doesn't take a whole lot for your salmon fillets to put a whole lot of flavor into them. And then we are going to do the juice of 1 lemon. Or excuse me, 1 lime. We're doing the juice of 1 lime. These are kind of itty bitty little limes, so I'm going to probably use 2. All right. And while the salmon is in the air fryer, we are going to make our rice. I will share with you, rice is really just simple. A cup of water per cup of rice. Really, you need only half a cup or 1 cup of rice per person. Depends how much they like to eat. Giving this a nice mix. Okay, I am going to grab just a spoonful of this. It really doesn't take a whole lot. And we're going to rub it kind of in with the back of the spoon. I'm going to let this sit for just a minute or 2. And we're going to grab our rice. Go ahead and take my salmon here. And mine has the skin on the back. If yours has skin on the back, cook it. If you're not going to air fry it, you're going to bake it probably or grill it. Cook it first, and then the skin of the salmon should peel off pretty easily for you. I am going to do mine on the air fryer setting for probably 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to check it after about 2.5 minutes. You want to make sure it's thoroughly cooked, but every air fryer is different, so cook your salmon based on your air fryer. All right, so I have my bowl of rice. I diced up a green onion and put that in mine. Often I like to add like peas or some carrot cubes. Whatever veggies you want to put into your rice, you totally can. For dinner tonight, we are actually going to slice up some avocado and put the avocado on top. What I'm going to do is I have 1/2 of a little lemon or a little lime left, and I'm going to squeeze that juice over my rice. And then I have some cucumber slices that I have diced up. I'm going to sprinkle those around. And then I have some feta. I actually have, it's tomato basil feta. So I'm going to add that. I love cheese in a rice bowl. My kids prefer plain old cheddar cheese, but Again, these are versatile, so you can do whatever you want to with them. And now we're gonna wait for the salmon, and I'm gonna put the salmon on top. You can see I have my chipotle salmon. It is nice and cooked, it is hot, and I am gonna actually just kind of peel the salmon off from the skin. It's really easy to do. Take the salmon, we're just gonna plop it right there into our bowl. It's actually probably be easier with a knife. Comes right off the skin. Here we go. We have our chipotle salmon power rice bowl. Super healthy, super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching this recipe. You can find the pin to save this recipe on Pinterest in the description below as well. Be sure to subscribe so you can be notified every time we have a new recipe that we put up that your family will love and enjoy. We'll see y'all next time.